Hello. I just got a huge TikTok order that I ordered like maybe about 2 weeks ago. Here, I've been seeing people say that it's better to use these disposable washcloths. I wanted to give these a go and see how they are. They're not the ones that come in the box that you see on TikTok. It's from the, I don't know how to pronounce this, Kayada brand. Let's open one. This is how it comes. It's quite thick. She's thick, y'all. So when you see girls go like, that makes sense. Next up are these whitening strips from, you already guessed it, Gurunanda. Comes with 14 strips. 10 are professional and 4 more are the express ones. So I guess if you don't have time to wait for the normal ones, then you could just use the express ones. I already have a pair of microphone headphones, but I wanted to look these up because you see these attachments right here. I currently have an iPhone where this is the attachment I would need to use. However, when I upgrade, when I upgrade, I can use this one and it should be able to make me sound a lot louder than I normally do in my videos when I talk. Next up, for teeth whitening, I have this whitening kit. It whitens in 10 minutes. Fast whitening, gentle teeth, whitening formula, whitens up to 10 shows. BitBay is the company. Next up, it's this yummy fried chili in oil. I've been beasting about buying this. The ingredients here: soybean oil, chili, peanut. Oh, you know it's official, I got peanuts. Can't pronounce that word. Salt, sugar, pepper. Not gonna try. Works for me. You know what I want to do with this? I want to put this on some eggs, y'all. And I've been running out of lip glosses. So this is from the Hello Kiss company on TikTok Shop. It's the cherry oil infused one. It's 3 colors. Here, the middle one looks the cherry, and this one looks like a nude. Very excited. And the viral TikTok camera. I legit was contemplating buying this because I already have a camera. And it's an EOS, right? However, I'm gonna be honest with you, I forgot how to work it. So I said, if this is easier, let me try doing this, because I've been wanting to give my phone a break because my storage has been a real big issue. And every time I record anything, my storage goes kaput. So this is literally my saving grace. And when I bought it at the time, it was only $50. I believe it's decreasing in its prices. So, but for now, this is it, y'all. This is it. Sandy, say hi. Sandy, say, oh God. All right, bye.